Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just you see on your iPhone Cellular Update failed, so how you can also fix it. So now for fixing it, first thing just try to go to the settings, just open your Cellular data and just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to open mobile data or cellular data options and try to open voice and data and just try to change here from LTE for example to 3G or 2G and just again to LTE. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the error, so you can also just go to the general and just check updates for your iPhone. So just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power the phone again. So just simple restart your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and bye.